Hey, it's Dr. Toker, and it's all things tomato. And yet here I am, having a Tushie Tuesday. Dr. Toker, Tushie Tuesday, tomato week. That doesn't even make any sense. Let me wrap it in for you. Okay, so first of all, if you like to do your own gardening, and I will post a video on the patron saint of gardening, is also the patron saint of hemorrhoids. If you do a lot of gardening, it's hard on your ass because you're squatting a lot, right? Tomatoes are on the ground, got to squat a little bit, got to pluck up little weeds around there, got to spray things, got to add your little magnesium. We've talked about all those things. All that squatting and lifting and moving around and stuff is going to swell some hemorrhoids. So your Tushie Tuesday hint of the week is, if you're going to garden, don't do a lot of squatting. Get a little gardening stool that you can sit on or just sit on the ground and do it. And yes, there's a lot of up and down. That's good for the quads. It's better for the quads to go from sitting to standing than it is to dangle your hiney in a squat. Okay, that's critical. That'll keep you out of it. That kind of information keeps you out of the operating room, actually. The second way tomatoes can be kind of a Tushie Tuesday topic is that they are very acidic. And acidic things can change the pH of the intestinal tract. And while that can help with bacterial overgrowth problems in the upper intestinal tract, it can kind of make things like heartburn worse. And it can also make your hiney burn when you use the restroom. So patients who come to me with, my ass is on fire. Hey, my ass burns. You know that joke? You may not. I may have showed my age with the ass burn joke. Anyway, that can be sometimes due to citrus foods like orange juice and tomatoes, tomato juice. And so if you have sort of an ouchy hiney, you might want to consider backing off on the tomatoes for a little while until that heals up. I'm not saying forever, just until you heal, and then you can resume your normal love of this poorly understood little fruit, the tomato.